So you don't know, says Jordan Mars representing for Henry and the Soul 5 family. I just want to tell everybody to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Life as a Jamaican Chef. He posts a whole heap of dope content. He posts recipes. He posts a whole heap of things that you need to go check out. So just subscribe to my YouTube page, Life of a Jamaican Chef, and just give him a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, everything.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. Out here, we are doing it.
Make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father and make we lift up the world, yeah.
Good Soulfly fam, you know, so judging from the title, we are do something different to the people, different. So we are trying them with guinep to see them reaction. So stay tuned for the video. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend out here.
Okay.
He needs some milk.
Here it comes!
Aside for the right now they present for and I create them. Aside we are tell about Top Chef. How to tell about Top Chef, we not talk about no Flap Chef. We are tell about Hot Chef. As I say right now they represent for Life of a Jamaican Chef. Really with the side. Life of a Jamaican Chef and another regular type of Jamaican Chef. You see me I say, and if you disbelieve, go on over YouTube, go and go pray the thing. Like the thing, share the thing, subscribe to the thing. You see me I say, the channel name Life of a Jamaican Chef. Another regular type of Jamaican Chef. And me say, I need Beverly Hills. What you going at them a lead out, them a do it now, them a say when them a repost.